Hello guys, I welcome you all to the training. This part is for the introduction to features in TextLab or pixellab. I'll be showing you some things and what they use it for. This little circle by the left hand side, when you press it, it's going to show this is my project. All the projects that you have that you've saved. But if you don't have any project, it won't show any. And these are the background that is already there if you want to use them. Like this one. See, it has changed. And the second one is A. A is for text. If you want to write something, if you want to edit it, if you want to delete what you have written, if you want to copy it, you want to move the text to the front or you want to move it to the back, you want to position it, can you see? Anywhere you want to put it. This one, the relative position is also for the position to is for moving. You want to move it. Then the size, if you want to decrease the size, if you want to increase the size. Then we have padding. You understand padding later as we move on. We have color. If you want to change the color. We have texture. We have opacity. We have rotate. If you want to rotate the text. We have mask. You understand this one later. We have font. If you want to change the font. You want to change the font. Then we have style. Maybe you want to bold it, highlight it, or any other one you want to use there. Then we have curve. You see, if you want to curve what you have written. Then we have background. We have background. Can you see? Let's go back to background. We have background. Can you see the difference? Can you see? And then we have align. If you want to give it middle alignment, right alignment, or left alignment, they are all here. They are all here. Let me write something small so that you understand it better. The idle man. We have spacing. If you want to space it, letter or words spacing. We have line spacing. Can you see? You understand more features later. And we have stroke. We have stroke. If you want to add stroke. Can you see? We have shadow. We have shadow. We have inner shadow. We have emboss, perspective. A lot of features there. You understand later as we move forward. Then come to the top of your screen. You will see something like a pen. We have a lot of features there too. If you want to write, it's for text. Then this one is for copy. You see, I've copied what I've written. This one is for rotate. A lot there. You understand as I continue to use them. You understand, I will tell you what I'm using them for. Then this one is for undo. All what you have done now, if you want to undo it, this one is for undo. This is a grid line to check maybe what you have done is aligned. You understand later. Image size to set the size of what you want to design. If you are designing a flyer, the size will be different from when you are designing a certificate or any other thing or a sticker. You understand? Soon, as we proceed. This one is codes. We have different codes here. You want to use codes. And this is where you will save your work. It is advisable to save as projects in case if you want to edit what you have done. So you just save it as project. Then you save as image. When you are saving as image, Save as ultra. Ultra is the best. It will be neat and your work will come out nice. This plus at the left hand side, we have text, we have date, we have sticker, we have shapes, we have gallery. This gallery means if you want to take something, import something from your gallery, just press gallery. Pick any photo there. You see? If you want to take anything from your gallery, if you want to pick anything from your gallery, then come to the bottom of your screen. I have some count 1, 2, 3, 4. I have something that look like 2 square. Yes. If you want, it's for the background. If you want to change the background color, can you see the image size, the image? Then if you want to use something in your gallery as your background, this shoe will be our background now. Can you see? Can you see?